This is the racetrack in Bowling Green, the NCM Motorsports track, right across from the Corvette Museum, and right across from the Corvette plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And for a fee, you can drive your vehicle, your Corvette, out on this track, or they do have some C8s available for you to drive for a fee. If you want to test drive a C8 before you purchase it, this is the place to come and do so. And I do believe they charge $300 just for you to drive their vehicle.